Canadian Pacific Holiday Train. The CP Rail Holiday Train raises money, food, and awareness for food banks and hunger issues in Canada and the United States of America. The train first launched in 1999. It is a train decorated with Christmas lights. It also performs a Christmas concert with musical performers. It is an excellent tradition for families and people to celebrate Christmas and go enjoy a concert with Christmas songs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment, and also hit that notification bell. Have a great day.